Time for another check of your first alert forecast.
And some areas seeing 2 feet of snow already, Tony.
It's crazy numbers given it's 9/11, and there could still be snow like 6 hours from now, although by then I think we're done with the heaviest. But I mean, okay, I guess we're past the halfway point of this, but we're not through the worst of it just yet. Still just blizzard conditions across the area, 29 degrees in and around the city. Just wanted to show you officially. I mean, when we talk blizzard conditions and the blizzard warning that we have, that's the Weather Service alerting you that, hey, these conditions are possible. We got the 35-mile-an-hour winds, visibly down a quarter of a mile for 3 hours. Well, guess what? In Bridgeport, that was verified this morning between 4 and 8 o'clock. Not the only place. Out in Eaton's Neck, we had some pretty strong winds, but there was another report there. You see that in Union County, where we also had verified blizzard conditions there, too. So heavy bands of snow, you're seeing that coming through right now and through parts of the area. Of course, we got to be mindful of these gusty winds still going 40 to 50 miles an hour, so the threat for power outages remains. As you know, if you lose power, just take out your handy-dandy phone, your CBS News app. You can continue to get the coverage. Chris and Mary's. We'll continue to watch the storm. As you said, 1 to 2 counting. Still hours to go before this is all over.
All right, Tony, thank you.